I wanted to compare the size, but mainly the weight. So you can see where it goes into the cat is pretty much all completely lined up. And I didn't realize that the Vance Hines was actually a couple inches shorter than the stock ones, but you can also see how much shorter the drag pipes are. And there is no baffle in these, so it should be much louder than the Vance Hines in the stock. But let's see what the weights are. Alright, so let's go with the stock one first. So the stock one, it's not showing up on here, but it is 7 pounds and 1.3 ounces. The Vance Hines weighs in at 6 pounds and 10.3 ounces. Okay, so I had to use a piece of 2x4, but I zeroed it out, put the drag pipe on there, and it is 1 pound, 10.3 ounces, and it's not the equivalent of the 13-pound loss from the stock ones that they were claiming, but compared to the Vance Hines, you're losing pretty much 10 pounds even when you take in case both of them. So we're getting out for the first test ride after putting the new pipes on. Fortunately, I wasn't able to get out right after getting them on, but new day, new ride, new exhaust. Super excited with how it sounds. It is definitely louder, not overbearing though. So after weighing these were claimed to be 13 pounds lighter than the factory mufflers, and from my scale, what I weighed, these are just under 11 pounds lighter, but exactly 10 pounds lighter than the Vance Hines. So it's just a little plus, but my main thing is it being, my main thing is that it's louder, and I'm super excited with that. But I do like that the end of the muffler is perfectly cut with the frame, and it leaves the whole swing arm to be shown, which clearly I need to clean right there a little bit more. But super excited with the purchase. Would definitely do it again. And like I said, the Vance Hines will be for sale soon, so go check out Triumph Bob Reform and you will see them listed up there. But as for now, I'm gonna jump back on the bike and go enjoy these pipes. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. See you guys next time.